This is a safety alert for anyone who owns a Mercedes W123 chassis or intends to buy one. Okay, this is the rear bumper off a US model W123. These were built from 1977 to 1985 in the US market. And the problem is related to corrosion and particularly salt exposure. Watch what happened to this bumper. You can see that it got severely corroded, and this bumper just about fell off on the road. The owner noticed a very loud clanking sound and brought it to me, and I said, boy, it's a good thing you came in here because this one is really bad. What happens is you have steel bolts going into aluminum, and you have the potential for dissimilar metal corrosion, and particularly if any road salt gets up in there and starts the corrosion process, you can see how bad that is. So if you have a 123 or plan to buy one, this might be something you want to add to the pre-purchase inspection. But just take a look. You know, if you have any evidence of corrosion on the bottom of the bumper or on this lower edge, suspect you might find this inside. So get into the back of your car and take a look.